Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing some stump grinding. So to start, you got to cut the stump down as low as you can so you don't have to grind as much. So this job had 28 stumps altogether. Most of them are done. I did it a previous day, and I had Neil here today so he could do some videoing while I was doing some of the work. There was about 4 of this size. This might have been the biggest one of them all. And then there was a bunch of smaller ones. But to start, you got to cut it down. I don't know, maybe I need to get a bigger bar on my saw. I don't know if my saw would have enough power to actually do it, but maybe we'll give it a try. Well, as you can see, I'm cutting close to the ground, and it doesn't take a lot of dirt to dull the blade or the chain, and you got to sharpen the saw many times as you're doing stumps. There was a couple of smaller ones that were full of holes, and I think they're full of ant holes, and I had to sharpen the saw after each tree. It must have been full of dirt. Well, here we are starting to grind the big stump. It takes multiple passes for big stumps because you can't go down deep enough, so you got to bring it down all the way across and then start over again so you can get down below grade. I tried to take them down 4 to 6 inches. When I started, you can see the tree line in the distance. The very first stump I did, I hit a survey marker. First stump, and I had 24 brand new bits, and they are ruined. I'll show you a picture here. Anyway, I went home and I changed it, and I'm doing them with the bits I have. You can see the stump grinder moving to the side. I've got to tighten up my 3-point hitch more. Not sure how to do it. I've got them tightened up as much as I can. It's just the style that I have on this machine. From this angle you can see how much it moves over, so it's hard to get it set where you want, but it chews up the stumps pretty good. These bits are dull, and I've got to come up with a way to sharpen them. I will share that with you as I figure out how to do it. These were pine trees, so they're chewing up pretty easy. I think if they were hardwood, might have been a different story. Still working on that big stump, getting her down low, trying to get down 4 to 6 inches. Takes a few trips, but I think it took me 25-30 minutes on this one stump. This here, you can see that there's still a lot of stump to go. Neil got a little fancy with his camera and did some slow motion. Well, the customer was very happy to get all these trees done. Now they don't have to mow around them. They may have to bring a load of topsoil in just to cover over some of the little roots and stuff that are there. I told them I'd come back and grind some of the roots if they need. They said they were fine. Part of doing this work is you might hit a rock, you might hit a survey stake. It's just part of doing it. Anyway, it's all good. Customer's happy. We just raked out the chips and they will add topsoil as it sinks. Thanks for coming along with this adventure, and till the next time.